This is the 1970 Duster, and I'm just covering the air conditioning portion of this car. You see, it's a very simple control panel, fan, and in the middle there's a selector for the AC, and it is under the dash. It is the evaporator and the fan assembly is all part of that. You see, it's got a fan system there. You can see the ductwork going up. Under the hood, this is the other half of the system. You've got your evaporator in the cab with the controls, and then you've got the compressor and the condenser outside with your thermostatic expansion valve. This is a double belt pulley that's only using one belt. It's not working. It runs over the alternator and then down to the crank, and the crank has place for 3 belts. One of those was for 2 belts on the air conditioner. Over here on the firewall, this is the warm gases coming out of the cab, and you've got your 2 lines here for your thermostatic expansion valve, and then under here it travels into the compressor, compressed, discharged, coming over here on this hose around into the condenser, and then out the condenser into the accumulator dryer. This has this little inspection window that you can actually see the bubbles through the liquid. So this is a high pressure hot liquid, and then this expansion valve will meter it in as a vapor to the evaporator so that it can pick up heat. I hope this helps you. This is an untouched and untampered with air conditioning system if it helps you get yours correct. Thanks for watching.